Okay, right here you can tell I got the frame all pulled outside. I've used the pressure washer over there. All the spindles, springs, everything's removed because that's going to be Beltec. Pressure washed every bit of it as best I could. There's the flip kit, the C-notch. So now I'm going to go ahead, bring the sandblaster out here and do some sandblasting. Now on the color, we decided to use a gunmetal gray, dark shadow gray metallic, rather than black. So we'll just kind of show you what it's going to look like. Spray it on there. But that's the color right there that's going on it. This sucker's going to look like a big old piece of aluminum. Go ahead, I'm going to get this thing finished up. Okay, here it is, guys, final product. Decided to go with that gunmetal gray and put a little bit of pearl inside the clear. There's the 20-inch wheels just sitting on there so we can roll it around. But there you have it. She looking pretty as a picture. So got to get the front end kit put on so we can get them other wheels on there. But here I got the frame finished up in here with the wheels and spindles and everything on it, as you can see there. And on the rear, the flip kit is all complete. Also got the bump stops under there. So there you have the frame. And the 20-inch wheels sitting in place. Here it is, it's already on the loader here. It's headed to its home to get the LS swap put in, transmission put in, exhaust, everything routed. So the next time you see this frame right here, it should have the engine already in it, the transmission in it. We'll be ready to set the cab down on there. That's it.